Welcome back to Customer Discovery 101. I'm Benjamin Nason from the Happy Valley Launchbox, and today we're going to talk about how to start using the themes and patterns you've identified to validate or invalidate the assumptions you have about the problem, the need, or who has it. At this point, you should have turned all your interviews into nuggets, then organized those nuggets into themes and sub-themes. As always, if you haven't been able to do that yet, we encourage you to do so before continuing. Once you've pulled out all the nuggets from your interviews, it's time to take stock of what you're learning. Which assumptions can you validate or invalidate, and which ones do you need more data for? This will help you to really discover how your customers work, their motivations, and what kinds of solutions you can build that will deliver value and set you apart from your competition. So, go back and look at the assumptions you made that you reviewed with your coach. Then look at the themes you've uncovered and see if there's proof that validates each of those assumptions. Let's say you're working on the cooking app example that we've used before. Let's say you have a number of assumptions that you're testing. Parents are trying to cook healthier meals for their kids. Parents are struggling to find time to shop for fresh ingredients. You would look for proof to support or refute each of your assumptions. Do your stickies reveal a theme related to healthy meals? Do they reveal themes related to fresh ingredients? It's not often cut and dry what you learn from your interviews. There's often nuance involved. For example, interviews may reveal that parents are really struggling with the time and having the skills to cook the recipes that they find. This finding may suggest that you need to find healthy recipes that take little time and require no specialized skills. It's a bit of a skill to decode your interview nuggets, but some things to keep in mind. Be ruthlessly critical. It's human nature to want to be right, especially about something you're excited about. However, you must bring a critical eye to what you're learning. If you only focus on the things that you got right, you aren't reducing risk. Instead, you're bringing false hope and ignoring signs that may lead you to pivot your idea. Trust the data. It's amazing what you can learn from this process. If you lean into the data that you've collected as a part of your interviews and let it take you where it takes you, be open to new ideas and things you might have already dismissed. Dig for the why. As we discussed, figuring out why people want or do something is key to building solutions that they will actually want. Review your themes to see if you have identified the why or the root cause. If not, then write new assumptions about the why and go interview more people to validate or invalidate your assumptions. Okay, that's the crash course in analyzing the data you've collected from your interviews. The next step is to pull out all of your nuggets from your interviews, group them into themes and sub-themes, then see which assumptions have been validated, invalidated, or whether the new assumptions have emerged. Once you've done that, set up a time to check in with a business coach.